Hi, Jack. This garden is absolutely beautiful. How long have you been working on it?
Hi, Emma. Thank you. I've been working on this garden for about 5 years now. It's my little paradise.
Wow, 5 years. That's impressive. It must take a lot of dedication. What inspired you to start gardening?
Well, I've always loved nature. When I moved here, I saw this empty space and thought it would be a great project. Plus, gardening is very relaxing for me.
I can see why. It's so peaceful here. Do you have any favorite plants?
Yes, I do. I really love roses. They are a bit challenging to grow, but their beauty is worth the effort. How about you? Do you like any particular plants?
I love sunflowers. They are so bright and cheerful. They always make me smile.
Sunflowers are wonderful. They are easy to grow and they attract a lot of bees and birds to the garden.
That sounds lovely. Speaking of bees, I noticed a beehive over there. Do you keep bees as well?
Yes, I do. Bees are very important for pollination and they help my garden thrive. Plus, I get fresh honey.
That's amazing. Fresh honey must taste so much better than store-bought.
It really does. It's also healthier since it's raw and unprocessed. Would you like to try some?
I would love to. Thank you, Jack. By the way, do you have any tips for someone who wants to start gardening?
Sure. Start small. Choose a few plants that are easy to grow, like herbs or vegetables. Also, make sure you understand the amount of sunlight and water your plants need.
That sounds like good advice. I think I'll start with some herbs. They seem manageable.
Herbs are great for beginners. They grow quickly and you can use them in your cooking. Basil, mint, and parsley are all good choices.
I'm excited to give it a try. By the way, do you host any gardening workshops?
Yes, I do. I have a workshop every Saturday morning where I teach basic gardening skills. You should join us sometime.
That sounds fun. I'll definitely check it out. Thanks for the invitation, Jack.
Anytime, Emma. It's always nice to share the joy of gardening with others.
I couldn't agree more. Well, I should get going now, but thank you for the lovely chat and all the great tips.
My pleasure, Emma. Come by anytime you want to talk about gardening or just enjoy the garden.
I will, Jack. Have a great day.
You too, Emma. Take care.